Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson, and today we are checking in from Pandemonium for a media day. Now this is opening this weekend for Memorial Day, but we got a chance to check it out early here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Let's go look at the merchandise, the ride itself, and let's have an interview. In the Scream Punk area, we have a Pandemonium photo op. And it looks very nice. It has a checkered sort of pattern with Pandemonium and Six Flags going opposite of each other. We have a Pandemonium Six Flags Over Georgia promotion. And we have this beauty right here. Look at this. This is amazing. It looks like a classic. And it's right here for all the guests to see. Right here next to Pandemonium. In the Scream Punk Pandemonium section, you also get a great view here of the go-karts. Alongside with this beauty right here, we have a covered seating area, along with this. And this is plugged into an electrical outlet. So my guess is this will be blasting music while you're in the Scream Punk section. Look at this. It's actually plugged in. But it looks so cool and homemade. Alright guys, so I am here with Gene Petriello, and he is the marketing director for Six Flags Over Georgia, and we are here in front of this beautiful ride, Pandemonium. So tell me a little bit about this ride, and did you have any challenges or obstacles that you had to overcome in order to get to this project?
Well, you described this ride perfectly. It is beautiful.
Yes.
It's here at Six Flags Over Georgia. We have a beautiful park, and now we have a beautiful addition, Pandemonium, taking you 147 feet, 15 stories in there, while you rotate, spin around, feel weightless. You are going to go 70 miles an hour, which is the fastest, or ties the fastest ride at the park with Goliath.
Wow.
And actually, when you're up in the air, you're going to feel like you're going higher than Goliath, and you're going higher than Skyscreamer, and you're going to get an amazing view of the Atlanta skyline and the entire Six Flags Over Georgia park. It's a perfect addition for our members, our season pass holders, and our guests.
Absolutely, and he said everything perfectly. This is a great addition, and I was super excited to hear about this addition with the flat lights. And that brings me to my next question. What does this ride mean to you and to the list of rides that you actually have at this park?
Yeah, that's a great question. We have an amazing collection of rides here, a big variety. Last year we put in Twisted Cyclone, which is our wood and steel hybrid roller coaster. This year we're taking you on a different thrill, 147 feet in the air as you spin around. We have stand-up roller coaster. The Georgia Scorcher just got a brand new paint job and looks spectacular. Fire engine red, and it looks great at the front gate. Plus we have rides like Superman where you're gonna fly, and you also have Hurricane Harbor here. It is extremely hot in Atlanta. All of a sudden, we had no spring, I feel like. It went from cool, wet to now 90s and hot. It's perfect for Hurricane Harbor. So this is just a great addition to the park because it gives us another thrill for families to really experience together. We have kids areas, kids, DC Super Friends, and Bugs Bunny Boomtown. So there's something for everyone here at Six Flags Over Georgia, and that is our commitment to our valued guests and members and season pass holders.
Absolutely. And my last question for you is, this whole area is called Scream Punk. Mm-hmm. What was the idea behind that? Because you have Gotham City, you have Metropolis, you have all these different areas. What was the decision and idea behind Scream Punk, and how did you come to terms with it?
Well, Scream Punk actually started at our sister park out in Magic Mountain. A couple years ago when they opened Twisted Colossus, they had Scream Punk added to a themed area of their park, and it was very popular out there. And that throwback to like the 19th century Victorian style. So we said, hey, we're putting in a new ride into an area that needed to be revitalized because this was where the old Thomastown engine, tank engine used to be. And we decided, hey, why not just throw another area into the park, something different, gives our guests a variety. And what's cool is we actually have a new exit store here called, this is a great segue, a new exit store called Gadgets, Gizmos, and Gifts.
Right.
And we have all these very eclectic, I would say, screen punk attire, masks. So like we have these glasses you can wear, masks. There's also skulls in here with American flag bandanas on it. So there's hats. So there's a lot of different eclectic things, and we've been able to have fun with it. And we're all about fun, man.
Right, absolutely. And we will have to take a tour of the gift shop. But Gene, thank you so much for having an interview with us.
Can't wait to see you ride it every day.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. I'll be here all the time riding this, and you guys have to come out here and ride this for yourself. And let us know what you think.
We have arrived at Gadgets, Gizmos, and Gifts, the gift shop, and right away we are introduced with sunglasses. We have some necklaces, and it all looks great. We can get sunglasses for $14.99, necklaces right here for $3.99, and we have Pandemonium t-shirts. We have a couple different colors, the same design here, but all different colors, and these are going to be running at $24.99. This one's going to be $19.99. Not too bad. Going on, we have some goggles and hats. We have some Pandemonium towels, and it says Pandemonium, Six Flags Over Georgia. We have hourglasses, and they work, as you can see, and they are $13.99. We have some skeletons for Speak No Evil, See No Evil, and Hear No Evil. And then we have skulls of that as well. We have some Mardi Gras looking skulls, and we have some dragons on the skulls, very unique. We have some tiny shot glass types of cups, and they're going to be $3.99. Very unique design on here. We have a heart with skulls all over it. It's like a treasure chest type of thing. You can hold some stuff in here, some jewelry. And we have this as well, which is the exact same thing, but it's more like a steampunk. Moving on, over on this side, we have some mermaids with gems. We have very, very unique, as you guys can see. We have some unicorns, all pretty mystical. It's pretty nice. And look at this. Look at this wall of hats and masks and goggles and all sorts of stuff. And look at just the attention to detail in all of these. It's absolutely amazing. It's all, as you can see, 3D in detail, and they are for sale. So as you can see, you can buy these. This one has a little compass on it, which is cool. And then we have hats, very glittery, shiny, multicolored hats. There's more of like a steampunk type of vibe. All really nice. And then we have dragons. Multiple types of dragons. And these dragons are for sale as well. There's no price that I can see. There we go, there's a price. It is going to be $24.99. Moving on, we have more dragons, also for sale. Ranges from smaller sizes to larger sizes. We have dragon shirts, skull with tentacles coming out, lots of detail as you can see. More dragons and skulls up there. And it has little ammo for a mohawk, which is pretty cool. And we have mugs with dragons going on and on. Very, very unique merchandise. We have white owls, which is very pretty. And these are for sale here as well. More dragons. We have dinosaurs down here, steampunk dinosaurs looking like they're robotic. Very cool. And we have some fairies. Some more fairies. Lots of fairies, as you can see. There's a steampunk fairy here. I heart steampunk. And again, these shirts are going to be $24.99 here and $24.99 here as well. Now we have more hats, as you can see, all the detail on them. Still lots of detail on these hats. We have flowers on these. Looks really nice. More hats over here. And we have a dragon with a fairy. We have another type of treasure chest. You can hold stuff in there. We have shot glass holders. And we have more dragons over here. We have refreshments. Water, Coca-Cola, Sprite, lemonade, Powerade. Cotton candy. A ton of candy along this wall. You can get your seasoned drink bottle over here. And we have crystal rock candy, which is very nice. A lot of different options, a lot of different flavors. So if you'd like that, you can get plenty of them here. And we have drink holders and fanny packs. And it's $12.99 for fanny packs. And a drink holder is probably about the same price. But all in all, a lot of different options in this gift shop. And you have to come check it out for yourself. Six Flags Over Georgia also gave us these awesome Pandemonium sugar cookies. So thank you, Six Flags Over Georgia, and I cannot wait to enjoy this. Oh yeah, it's time to go ride on Pandemonium. Let's go do it.
Oh, so we can coordinate with payment.
right, so it is time for Pandemonium. We are on this park's new pendulum ride, and I am extremely excited. Are you excited as well?
Yes.
It's gonna be really good, and I'm so glad they have this here. There seems to be a lot of hang time, air time, everything in between, and we're already going. Oh man. Oh yeah. All right. Oh boy. Here we go. Going up. It's getting higher. All right.
Starting to get that feeling in my tummy.
Yeah, starting to get it. Starting to get that weightlessness. Oh man. Woo. Oh man. Oh. Woo. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Wow, we are high up now. We're getting above the trees. Oh man. We are flying. Holy cow. Going up. Oh man. Holy cow. That was good. Woo. Oh man. That was some good hang time. Oh snap. We're at about maximum height now. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my goodness. My feet are just flying up. Oh snap. And we're heading back down now. Holy cow. So good. Oh man. My collar's all messed up. Oh man. That was amazing. Whew. Now, of course, there are pendulums like this around the parks, but I am so glad that they have this at Over Georgia. This is a great addition, and this is my favorite flat ride that you can ask for. All in all, Six Flags Over Georgia, fantastic move and fantastic ride. And we're gonna have to get a lot more rides on this. And on a hot day like this, it definitely helps to feel that crazy breeze hitting your face. So, what did you think? You liked it?
I liked it a lot. It definitely adds variety to the park.
Yeah, definitely adds variety to the park, and they already have a great lineup, and this just makes it even better. So you have to come out here to Scream Punk and get on Pandemonium, and yeah, hop on the ride and get some wind. Well guys, that is going to do it for us here at Pandemonium. We had a fantastic time, and I know that you guys are going to love it, so you have to come check it out. It opens this weekend, Memorial Day weekend, so come check it out. And if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, because there will be plenty more like this, so make sure to subscribe and follow us, and I will see you out on the Midway.